Today, we're going to make delicious low-carb pizza with a crunchy chicken crust. It is packed with delicious goodness. The best part is you can include as many healthy toppings of your choice. If you're looking to lose weight, definitely go easy on the cheese. Let's get started. We will need 12.5 ounces of chunky canned chicken drained, 2 large eggs. I forgot to include it with the ingredients. Half a cup of Parmesan cheese, half a cup unsweetened pizza sauce. I'm using tomato and basil. You can make it at home or buy it in store. We'll need half a cup mozzarella cheese, 10 to 12 slices pepperoni, half a cup of sausage. I'm using chicken sausage. I cut them into cubes so as to make it easier to sprinkle on the pizza. I'm also using 1/4 each green, yellow, and red bell pepper. I use half a medium-sized onion, 4 whole mushrooms sliced, and some seasoning. We are going to begin by crushing the chunky chicken. Basically mash it like you will mash a potato. Ensure that your canned chicken is well drained, and don't forget to set your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 218 degrees Celsius. If your chicken still has some liquid after draining, you can either dab it with a paper towel or squeeze the liquid out through a clean washcloth. In my case, I ensured that the water was well drained when I poured it out of the can, and so I did not have to do any dabbing or squeezing. The moisture in the chicken was just right. Quite dry, but not too dry. Add your Parmesan cheese. Realistically, any other powdered cheese would be fine. Add your egg. I added 1 to begin, but that did not give me the consistency that I was looking for. So I ended up adding another to achieve the right consistency. We want a dough-like looking consistency so that it's easy to spread on the pizza pan. Aside that, you want the crust to be as crunchy and tasty as possible. I ended up not using the seasoning that I intended to use because I was making this particular one for my kids. Today my kids did not want the kick of heat in their pizza, so skip that step. The beauty about this recipe is you can use any cooked or steamed chicken. It could be freshly cooked chicken, freshly steamed chicken, or even leftover chicken. All you have to do is to make sure the chicken is soft and mushable, and you could conveniently use it for this recipe. Line your pizza pan or baking tray with parchment paper and spray with olive oil so as to not have your crust stick to the pan. Spread the chicken dough to the thickness, shape, and size of your choice.
okay to be sad because it's really bad. Whoa, wow, Jesus.
Bake for 10 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit or until golden brown. It's okay if it swells up or has some cracks and tears on the edges. That is absolutely normal. Let it sit and cool for about 5 minutes. If it has any form of inflation, you can simply press down on the inflation to get a flat surface. Begin by basting your pizza with a tomato and basil. Add your mozzarella cheese. Begin including your toppings. And like I said before, it could be any toppings of your choice. That is the beauty of this whole process. Whatever you feel like topping up your pizza with, just slap it on there and build your own delicious, nutritious pizza. Remember, you can include any protein of choice. I have outlined the benefits of all the vegetables I'm using, as well as the benefits of chicken in my other videos.
It's okay to be sad because it's really bad. Whoa.
In my research, I have found that mushrooms are a kind of fungus, delicious fungus, that is. They are known for their delicate flavor and meaty texture. In my journey, I have included mushrooms in my diet because research taught me that mushrooms aid lower blood pressure. They aid weight loss. They decrease the risk of cancer. They aid lower bad LDL cholesterol. They protect brain health. They provide a good source of vitamin D. They stimulate a healthy gut, and they support a healthy immune system. Bake in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for another 10 minutes. And oh my goodness, look at that deliciousness. Slice this tasty pizza up and enjoy it with your family or your friends. Or better still, if you're really hungry, eat it all alone. Either way, it is simply delicious. And just like that, you are done. As I was shooting, the pizza kept disappearing, so I had to be quick with it. I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and I really do hope you will try the recipe. If you did enjoy this video, do well to give me a thumbs up, and until next time, remember to be beautiful, be bold, be true to yourself and to others. Stay healthy and always be you.
Always work together.